Exploring artistic gardening, a creative blend. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines creativity with nature: artistic gardening. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply love the idea of creating beauty, this video will explore what artistic gardening means and how it brings art and horticulture together. Let's get started. Artistic gardening goes beyond the basic act of planting flowers and vegetables. It's about creating a visually appealing space that reflects personal creativity and artistic expression. It's where gardening meets art. Unlike traditional gardening, which often focuses on the practical aspects of growing plants, artistic gardening emphasizes aesthetic appeal, design, and originality. In artistic gardening, every plant, sculpture, and garden ornament plays a role in an overarching theme or story. The goal is not just to grow plants but to compose a living artwork that evolves with the seasons. To create an artistic garden, several elements are key. Design and layout, the foundation of any artistic garden. It involves planning the shapes, paths, and areas of the garden to create a cohesive look. Color theory. Understanding color theory is crucial. Choosing plants and flowers based on their colors can create harmony, contrast, or a particular mood within the garden. Texture and form. Mixing different textures and forms of plants and garden features adds depth and interest. It's about how the shapes and surfaces of plants and materials work together visually. Light and shadow. Playing with light and shadow can dramatically change the appearance of the garden at different times of the day and year. Japanese Zen gardens, characterized by minimalism, simplicity, and tranquility. Uses rocks, sand, and few plants to create serene landscapes. English cottage gardens, overflowing with flowers and greenery, aiming for a charming and unplanned look that's actually very carefully designed. Sculpture gardens, incorporate sculptures as focal points in the garden, blending art pieces with natural elements. Start small. Begin with a small area or a particular theme that interests you. Plan your design. Think about what you want to feel when you're in your garden and design around that idea. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things. Artistic gardening is about personal expression, so there's no right or wrong way to do it. Seek inspiration. Look at examples of artistic gardens in books, online, or in person to get ideas. We hope this video has inspired you to look at gardening as not just a hobby but as an art form. Artistic gardening is a beautiful way to express yourself while connecting with nature. Whether you're planning a tranquil Zen garden or a vibrant floral masterpiece, remember that the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what beautiful gardens you create.